Today is very special. Today is the birthday of Saint Tyagaraja. And Tyagaraja, born on May 4th, 1767, regarded music as a way to experience God's love. Prahallada Bhakti Vijayam, one of the 3 operas that he has composed, is a full-length musical play in 5 acts and 45 songs. And the storyline is Prahallada's pursuit in seeking the Lord, who finally appears before him. As the name suggests, Prahallada Bhakti Vijayam is about the triumph of Prahallada's devotion. Chronologically, the incarnation of Lord Rama occurs after Prahallada's timeline. However, Tyagaraja, being an ardent devotee of Lord Rama, has composed all the songs in this opera in praise of Lord Rama. Hence, this opera does not have a basis on the Bhagavata Purana. It is a creation of Tyagaraja's imagination, and through Prahallada, Tyagaraja has brought about his own aspiration to attain Lord Rama's feet. He refers to Lord Rama in several names such as Vasudeva, Hari, Raghunandana, Raghuvira, etc. Most of the songs in this opera, Prahallada Bhakti Vijayam, has been popularized on concert platforms. Today I'll be giving a brief overview of the play. As customary, the play begins with an invocation to Lord Ganesha. Even today's event, we began with this kriti. Shri Ganapati Sevim Parare Shri Ganapati Sevim Parare Shritama Navulara Sevim Parare Shri Ganapati. And the first act begins with the Dwarapalaka, the gatekeepers, arriving on stage, praising Lord Vasudeva in beautiful ragam and melody and rhythm. Ragatala gatulanu paduchunu Ragatala gatulanu paduchunu Tyagaraja sannutuni ogaduchunu Vasu devayani bedalina ido varikuni ganare. The first act reviews the happenings in Prahallada's life until then. And Prahallada, bound by poisonous snakes, is thrown into the ocean by the angry Hiranyakashipu, his own father. The king of the oceans, Samudra Raja, saves Prahallada's life. When Prahallada queries on the means of reaching Hari, he is advised by Samudra Raja to eulogize the Lord. The Lord will not come for any penance or sacrificial oblations. He will manifest if one sincerely seeks him. Ye japa tapa mula kuradu Yajanadulaku Radu Rajiganutinchu Tyagaraja Nutuni Vela వచ్చును హరి నిన్ను చూడ మేచును హరి నిన్ను చూచి వచ్చును హరి. The first act ends with this advice from Samudra Raja, and be assured that you will definitely get the darshan of Lord when you sincerely, wholeheartedly pray to Him. With this hope, in Act 2, the goal-oriented Prahalada extols Lord Rama's virtues and implores Rama to dwell in his heart always. The name of Rama is his comfort, his sacred abode, and he chants Rama's name constantly. Salutations to Raghunandana. క్షేమము దివ్యధామము నిత్యనేమము రామనామము రామ. క్షేమము దివ్యధామము నిత్యనేమము రామనామము రామ. వందనము రఘునందన సేతు బంధన భక్త చందన రామ. వందనము రఘునందన. Throughout Act 2, Prahalada goes in search of his pursuit, but in vain. Act 3, despite Prahalada's earnestness, when the Lord does not manifest, he laments. What is the purpose of this life? Why did this birth take place? How long can I endure this? Yeti janmamidi yenduko galigenu. Yeti janmamidi yenduko galigenu. ఎంతని సైరింతో ఓ రామ ఏటి జన్మ మీదే. Upon hearing his devotee's plea, the Lord appears in front of him. With supreme joy on seeing the Lord, he addresses him, Sundaresha, Dasharatha Nandana, Aravinda Lochana. Is this privilege a result of my austerities, or is it some other force of strength? Sundaresha Suguna Brinda Dasharatha Nandana Aravinda Nayana Pavana Yenati Nomu Phalamo Yedana Balamo Yenati Nomu Phalamo. Act 3 ends on this joyous mode with Prahalada wondering about his indescribable good fortune. And Act 4, overjoyed by the grace of Lord, Prahalada continues to extol his virtues. O Rama, Omkaradhama, O Rama, O Rama, ఓనరించు ప్రేమ నీకాశించితి కాని నిమిషము మాన ఏకమై నన్నేలు కోకుంటే ఆన. ఓ రామ ఓంకారదామ. He praises Rama's benevolence and declares, Raghuvira, is it even possible to describe this bliss? Vivarimpa tarama, vivarimpa tarama, Raghuvira anandamu dayarani, 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 Dasharati Rama dayarani. So throughout Act 4, he is extolling Rama's virtues. In Act 5, he invites the Lord to his house and he performs rituals to honor his guest. With a joyous mind, he showers Lord Ramachandra with various flowers and asks for deliverance from this cycle of births and deaths. Yennarani janana marana mule kunda manasara tyagarajwa nutuni paini phula challare Rama Chandruni Swampaina Manasuto Nimpaina Bangaru Kampalato Manchi Champaga Mulanu Challare Rama Chandruni Paini Phula Challare Rama Chandruni. And the play concludes with the popular Mangalam to the Lord, who is adored by Prahlada, Narada and other devotees. Let there be perpetual auspiciousness and victory to his sacred name and form. Ni Nama Rupa Mulaku, your sacred name and form. Nitya Jaya Mangalam, perpetual victory and auspiciousness. I'm sure all of you know this Mangalam. Prahlada Naradadi Bhaktulu Pogadu Chundu Ni Nama Rupa Mulagu Nitya Jaya Mangalam, Nitya Jaya Mangalam, Nitya Jaya Mangalam. Thus, in many ways, this opera is a triumph of Tyagaraja's devotion expressed as Prahlada's. Thank you.